Hi, welcome to each and everyone for my YouTube channel Akshata Shetty Commerce Lectures. Today I hope all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about UGC NET and kset examination paper 1 subject information and communication technology. Let us discuss 10 important questions. First question, match the following type of questions. List 1, they have given the generations of computers, and list 2, they have given the what the computer systems use. In first generation, second generation, third generation and fourth generation. Transistors, VLSI, microprocessor, vacuum tube, integrated circuit. First come to first generation. In the discovery and invention of the new technology in computers, the first and the basic to be used were using vacuum tube. So in the first generation they are using vacuum tube. They came around near 1940 to 1950 and were being in a huge size. Vacuum the tubes are in a huge size. So in the first generation they are using vacuum tube. Next, second generation. In the second generation, computer which around 1956 to 1963 they are used transistors and were lighter and bit smaller than vacuum tube. So in the second generation they are using transistors. So option 1 is the. Next, come to third generation. In the third generation, computers came around 1964 to 71 and these were using IC chips or integrated circuit. There was a significant increase in the speed of the computers. In the third generation they are using integrated circuit as a computer. So option 4th. Next, in the fourth generation. In the fourth generation, computers used VLSI microprocessor while were the first introduced in the year 1971 and formally in 1981. In the fourth generation they are using VLSI microprocessor. So option B. So come to this solution. In the options, here for A, third one, for B, first one, and third for fourth one. So in the option B is the right answer. Next, come to second question. In audio and video compression, the term RGB means red, grey, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, black, red, grey, black. In the RGB format is often heard in the context of computer graphics. Is another name for the color scheme of red, green and blue. So option B is the right answer. Next, come to third question. Which of the following is an example of proprietary system software? Linux, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Windows. Proprietary system means or proprietary software is a software that is owned by an individual or a company. The company might charge for the same. There are major restrictions on its use. Software like Linux, Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Office, etc. are the were freeware. But the Microsoft Windows is a proprietary system of software. So option D is the right answer. Next come to fourth question. Encoding or scrambling data for transmission across a network is known as protection, detection, encryption, decryption. The encoding or scrambling data for transmission across a network is known as encryption. Encryption is a method. It is used to convert the message into another form. It is used to increase the security of the messages because no third party can access this encrypted code. It requires the key to decrypt the key. So, encoding or scrambling data for transmission across a network is called as encryption. So, option C is the right answer. Next come to fifth question. MOOC stands for Media Online Open Course, Mass Open Online Course, Massive Open Online Course, Myrin Open Online Course. MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. These are the online courses that are available to everyone at no cost. The purpose of starting these online was to provide an interactive method of career guidance and developing educational qualities and other skills among the students. The lecture at this platform is delivered by top lecturers, and these courses are available all over the world. So MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. So option C is the right answer. Next come to sixth question. The first web browser is Internet Explorer, Netscape, World Wide Web, Firefox. The first web browser is a software application for retrieving, presenting and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. The first web browser was invented in 1990 by Sir Tim Berners-Lee. He is also the founder of the World Wide Web Foundation. His browser was called as World Wide Web, or we can call it as WWW. And later it is renamed as NIAX. So the first web browser is World Wide Web. Option C is the right answer. Next come to seventh question. Which of the following is a social network? Amazon.com, eBay, Gmail.com, Twitter. The social network is Twitter. Twitter is a social networking site that uses tweets as a post to interact with the other users. Users can retweet the post to spread them in the whole world. It improves the social impressions and status among the people because these sites are used to socially interact with the people. It is used to promotional and entertainment purpose. So, Twitter is an social network site. Option D is the right answer. Next come to 8th question. A hard disk is divided into tracks which further subdivided into clusters, sectors, vectors, head. A hard disk is divided into tracks which are further divided into sectors. A computer add and compare its data to a hard disk. It is a hardware device that is used to store digital data. It can store the data permanently. It includes videos, images, audio, and a document. It uses rotating platters coated with the magnetic material to store and retrieve data. So, a hard disk is divided into tracks and tracks are subdivided into sectors. So, option B is the right answer. Next come to 9th question. Which of the following is not a linear data structure? Array, binary tree, queue, stack. A linear data structure means it is used for arranging the data in rows and columns or queue, etc. This type of arrangement is helpful in schools, offices, etc. And binary tree, for here array and queue stacks are a linear data structure, but binary tree is not a linear data structure. What is binary tree? Binary tree is a structure that separates the data in hierarchical pattern. It cannot be in a linear, therefore the structure that comes under non-linear. So it is called as binary tree. So option B is the right answer. Next come to last 10th question. Which of the following is not a network device? Router, switch, hub, CPU. In the gateways, router network bridges the modems, wireless access points, networking cables, line drivers, switches, and hubs are the examples of the networking device. So, router, switch, and hub are the network devices. But CPU is unusual. Here the hub is a networking device that connects numerous devices in a network at the physical layer. Switches means it is a networking gear that uses the packet switching to a line devices on a computer network. But the CPU acts as a network device and that mediates data transfer in a computer network. It means CPU will only transfer the data to the computer. It is not a network device. So option D is the right answer. Okay guys, this is for today. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will meet again with another topic. Till stay safe, stay happy.